Click this search icon and type here Device Manager and open Device Manager in Control Panel. In here, you have to scroll down and select these storage controllers. Now expand storage controllers, and under storage controllers, if in your PC NVMe already installed, here you will find standard NVMe Express controller. And now in your PC, if you don't have installed this NVMe driver, then the best option to install it, go to your computer settings app and then just go to Windows Update, and here just click on check for any new updates and install any optional driver updates. And that's all. From here you will be able to easily install the NVMe drivers in your PC. Thanks for watching.